So what are you making today then, Chef?
Today, girls, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade naan bread really quickly and a chicken and beetroot curry that you can serve to guests, friends, or cook for yourself. So the naan bread, really simple, is plain flour, natural yogurt, baking powder, granulated sugar, and a good pinch of salt. And then all you do with that is mix it with lukewarm water and bring it to a dough.
Have you got any already done?
Yeah. Here's some I made earlier. So all you do is bring the dough together. And you take the dough, turn it out onto a floured table.
Sorry, couldn't resist. Nice.
And then just roll it.
Mind your way.
No, you're fine. Just keep the horse away.
It's a unicorn. Nice little unicorn, look.
Just bring it to a ball. You can either do 4 large or 8 small. And you don't need to worry about the shape because it doesn't really matter, but you're gonna eat it if you're no good at rolling.
Stretch it. Can you put flavours in it?
Yeah, you can put garlic, coriander. So then all you do is place that under a grill. Grill one side until it goes brown and bubbly, like that. Then you turn it over, brush melted butter, any flavours, and then put it back under the grill. Takes about 5 minutes in total, and that's your naan bread done. Now on to the curry. And this is quite quick and easy, if the pad works. Tablespoon of oil, some finely chopped onions, and you just soften those down a bit. Spoon. And once those have softened down a little bit, chicken strips, you just leave that, let it get a bit of colour on it.
What about if you're vegetarian?
If you're vegetarian, you can use chickpeas, lentils, instead of the chicken, just replace it. What do you mean you do all the cooking?
I think.
I do the shopping. So literally just browning the chicken off.
What did if any of the girls cook this year.
I think some of the old girls that we've taught in the past that, because they've said they've actually cooked it. So literally just getting the chicken to go a little bit brown on the outside. Then into there, some garlic, about 4 cloves. You don't put the garlic in too early because it burns very easily. Then into there, brown sugar, that just sweetens it a little bit. Balti paste, which you can buy from the shop and will last for about, I think it's about a month once it's opened in the fridge. And the good thing with this is you don't have to cook it out too long. If you were using dry spices, then it would take a lot longer and it would make your room, flat house absolutely stink for days of curry. So just mix that through. And into there, a little bit of chicken stock. You can use veg stock, but if you're really skint because you've been down the pub when they're open, just use water will be fine. Then into there, a tablespoon of garam masala. You can add less because this is part of what gives it the heat to it. Teaspoon of soy sauce, and then you just let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. While this is cooking, if you cook your rice in the boiling water, always read the instructions on the packet because some rices have different cooking times, but they're normally about 10 to 15 minutes depending on what sort of rice it is.
Microwave.
Or microwave, yeah. The frozen stuff that you can buy. And basically, we're nearly there. So, if that's been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, you put sliced shredded beetroot into it.
Is that pickled beetroot or?
No, just normal cooked beetroot that you can buy in packets. And just leave that to simmer. For about 10 minutes. And while you're watching that, Kerry will entertain you and I'll go and get the rice. I'll be back in a minute. Entertain, Kerry?
Yes, chef. Don't really know what to entertain you with. Any suggestions? I can sing, but I'm not very good. I could make your ears bleed. Sorry.
See if the unicorn likes it.
Pink lips. I could do this, and I'll have to stop before chef gets back. Otherwise I'll get told off. I hope you ladies have been cooking. We do have recipes we can send you if anyone's interested. Or I could just give you Ricky's private number, couldn't I? You could just do Zoom calls or something. I think he's run off. Come for a cup of tea. Oh, all right, chef.
And I'm back with the rice.
Cool.
And on this, we've used sticky rice. And this curry will serve 4 to 6, depending on
Who you're inviting.
who you're inviting.
Would you have to have it with rice? Can you have potatoes and...
You can have it with anything really, chips. Chips are a good one, I like chips.
You like chips.
And I'll do on top of the rice.
Do you remember that one, girls?
Sprinkling the coriander.
I should say ladies now.
Couple of naan bread. And a few pompadons.
There you go, Kat.
Boom!
Lunch.
Curry. Done.
Made with love.
Right, I'll go and do some more work now.
Hello.
Delicious Ricky food. Hi girls, miss you loads. I hope you're keeping you safe in lockdown. It's my birthday today, so if you were here you could have had cake. But I'll see you soon. Come and see us when it's all over.
Hello girls, hope you're all alright in these strange times. We miss you. We can't wait to be able to, for you to come back to see us and us to see you. Love
you're
drama.
well. Bye. Oh my goodness, it's
Ricky,
so good.
yum.
Good.
As always.
This is a Christmas treat, a festive treat.